Good morning, everyone. How are you guys doing? How is everybody doing? All right, we're back. I'm sorry about my voice, but my throat is a little bit hurting right now. I think anyway, I'm drinking tea. I'm drinking a lot of tea. So, oh, this is gold, sorry. So let's see what's happening. Do we have some news, by the way, this morning? No news. All right. Tea with honey or lemon. Hey, Rob. Good morning. So sorry about my voice. It's hurting. My throat is hurting. So here's the tea. This is tea. And I have some medicine as well. And some honey, definitely. ERP Media, what's happening? What is happening? All right. Seems like that okay, nothing special here. Okay, so just checking my charts. Naomi, good morning. Good to see you, Naomi. How you doing? You're great, ERP. Awesome. So, you know, it seems like that the new day opening gap on NQ from here, this was the earnings report on July 23rd, I think. Yeah, July 23 earnings report. That has been almost completely rebalanced. I'm saying almost completely because if we want to be perfect on this one, we would need an up close candle above 20,084, I think. No, sorry, 924. Come on, 924. Yeah, up close candle above 924. Good morning, Farhad. And June, good morning. With your voice like that, you should be. Oh, I'm definitely should be on the radio. I should be an anchor man in the radio, you know. Anyway, I was checking gold too, but nothing special. Parminder, hey, good to see you. Tom, I'm actually not feeling that bad, but you know, my voice is hurting a little bit. So actually, on a scale of 1 to 10, the pain is around 6. So that's not good. But I'm drinking tea. I have some medicine, and yeah, it's super hot. This tea is very hot, so it shouldn't be that hot. Yeah, need to. Anyway, we're not losing the focus here. We're not losing the focus, and the more I look at the 1 minute chart, by the way, the less I see on this one. It's just a chop city. I mean, what's the range on this? Yeah, like 20 points. We are moving in about a 20 points range. That's not tradable. This is absolutely not tradable. Even on the 5 minute. I'm trying to look at this on the 5 minute, but thank you. Will go. I think it still has some unfinished business at 924 to completely rebalance that new day opening gap from July 23rd. Okay, so that's still up there. And on the downside, we have a sell side liquidity as Asia low, and we have a 15-minute / 1 hour fair value gap or buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. So where we go from here is absolutely a coin toss. It's hard to say. We'll recover after making 2K. Oh yeah, we will. We're gonna make 2K on every funded. All right. Hovering above the midnight area. I was looking for my charger. Found it. My phone is charging. Okay. Rhythmic is not allowing me to trade in micro gold. I know it happens. What you can do is close Quant Tower or Ninja Trader, whichever you have. Restart Quant Tower and try again. Maybe you have to do it like 2 or 3 times more, because sometimes, I know it happens to me as well, sometimes you have to reload everything. So I mean, every prop firm, every futures prop firm offers micro gold, but unfortunately sometimes it's just not loading in. I don't know why, don't ask me. I have no idea why it's doing that, but sometimes I restarted Quant Tower or Ninja Trader multiple times and finally it loaded it. But if not, then obviously there's nothing to do, but it should. Oh really? I didn't see that. 49% off. Wow. I haven't checked on it because yesterday I was gone from the computer after the session, so I only got back late night and I wasn't feeling so good. I haven't checked on it. Let me check. Oh yeah, FTT wedding, 49% off Daytona and Grand Prix accounts. FTT wedding _ wedding. That's awesome. Active until the 23rd. Until Friday, yeah. You don't have a computer. You accidentally bought. Oh. Let me check. So yeah, wedding special, 49% off. Awesome. Raleigh, Daytona, and Grand Prix accounts. This could be the thing. I think I'm gonna buy. All right. Let's see. Good morning, Marco. And Sapham, good morning. Can try asking for a refund. Yeah, Bulenox is flexible, by the way. Bulenox is flexible with refunds. It happened to me once too. Like, I thought it was a few months ago. I thought it's a lifetime subscription with a discount, and I didn't really care about the dashboard, and I realized that it wasn't lifetime, and I got charged with the full amount. And guess what? They refunded me immediately. So absolutely no issue. Okay, gold went down. You know, sometimes might be a good idea to trade some gold. How about that? When NQ is not moving, you never know. You never know. Oh yeah, so let me change the code on the instant funded accounts. So it seems like with fast track trading, you get a 49% discount. Tom, could you please explain faster train power policy? Well, it's basically the minimum payout is $250. You can withdraw the whole all your profits. You can withdraw, but you know you have to close the funded account if you do that. But you can close the whole account. You can withdraw everything there, and mainly you have to go with the 20% consistency rule. That's it. And if you do that, and I think the minimum trading days, let me check it. Okay. So there's bi-weekly payouts after every 10 trading days. That's the simple one. You just have to go with the 20% consistency rule, and that's it. But there's a 5-day payout policy as well, which means if you want to take out money faster, then you can qualify for a 5-day payout. You have to make at least, for example, if you're on a 25K account, then you have to make above $250 per day. If you do that, if you make about 250, you can get a payout in 5 days. No giveaway today. Let's see when we're going to do the giveaway. We're gonna do giveaway. We're gonna do giveaway on Thursday or Friday. Okay. we're gonna do some giveaway on Thursday or Friday. You're welcome. So Farhad, the simplest way, so you don't have to aim for the $250 days, is if you can just go for the bi-weekly payouts. I would go for that. Actually, I am going for that already. So bi-weekly payouts, you don't have to aim for that $250. Just trade every day. I mean, trade for 10 days. You can make as low as you want or as much as you want, and that's it. The safest way without stress is go for the bi-weekly payouts, 10 trading days. That's it. But if you want it faster, obviously you can if you make above $250. But I think it's unnecessary. All right, look at this. We're going lower. I'm having the smallest one right now, the rally, 25K, because I think it's faster to achieve the payment. But for myself, you know me, guys, I am mostly calibrated to the 50K accounts with every prop firm. Now, I'm not saying don't trade with bigger accounts, because obviously if you're that kind of trader who needs a bigger safety threshold or cushion to trade with, then obviously I say go with a bigger account. But since I'm trading micros and I'm a turtle trader, I'm fine with the 50K accounts. So it's up to your trading style. It's up to your risk management. You have to decide for yourself. Again, if you like the 150Ks, or I'm not just talking about fast track trading, whichever prop firm, if you like the big accounts because you trade with bigger size or you need the bigger room to trade, then it's up to you. It's up to you. Bulenox is back to 75%, but the option 2 accounts are also 75%. So everything, option 1 and option 2 accounts with the same code. If you use tomsabo, it works for option 2 as well. So option 1 and option 2 accounts at Bulenox is 75% off. Now option 2 is end of day trailing and daily loss limit, which is a soft breach, so it's not a hard breach, and $2,500 threshold, lifetime 75%. So I think it's $43 or $44 per month, so it's cheaper than Top Step. But yeah, everything is 75% at Bulenox. They ended the sale yesterday. I think they wanted to compete with Apex, and as soon as Apex switched back to 71%, I think Bulenox also toned it down to 75%. But still, option 2 accounts from Bulenox, I might go with that, with the option 2 for $43 or $44, I don't even know. So that's still a very good deal. But yeah, the 90% sale is currently off. I have no entry here, guys. We're just ranging. I'm actually watching gold if we see something, but I rarely take a position there. ES, oh my god, it's terrible. ES looks terrible. Nothing is moving. Absolutely unplugged. Yeah, ES is not doing anything. All right. Back to NQ. Guys, this is absolutely not tradable. It's just, I'm gonna keep it. Yeah, that's the best idea, Bowser. I also have subscriptions with $17. Just a pro tip, guys: if you unfortunately blown up some of your accounts with the high discount price, I mean the low discount price, sorry, then just keep it, because next month you're gonna get the same deal when you get rebuild. Malo Legacy, welcome. Good to see you. What's happening? What's happening, Malo? Welcome, welcome. Do you think Apex is doing much business this week? I think they do. Obviously, they're back to 71%. Guys, sooner or later, those traders who are actively trading with Apex are going to need new evaluation accounts. So I think they're gonna go to Apex anyways. Ashevs, hey, welcome. Good to see you. Apex is doing good business. Apex is still making highest payouts. I know everybody hates them, but they're still paying a lot. Yeah, looking at this chart is like, guys, really, is this really that we want to trade in? This is absolutely, this is the no trade price action. This is what you should avoid trading. Yeah, a lot of Apex traders are going to move. Mostly the ones who are experienced, but fast track trading is definitely creating a good market. So yeah. Aaron, yes, I got approved and I got paid too. Yeah. The money arrived. Ati, jó reggelt, good morning. Fellow Hungarian trader Ati is here. So yeah, Apex approved and paid me. So yeah. And by the way, I know like a bunch of people from Discord here from the chat and other people who got paid and approved in the last couple of weeks. So fighter jets. Flying above my house. Let's go, Bowser. There you go. Withdraw 3K every week. That's a good plan. Oh, thank you, Malo. The discount code is up there. You can read it. I'm showing you. It's tomsabo. But thank you so much if you are supporting the channel and the stream. I'm very appreciated. Thank you so much, Malo. The code is tomsabo. It gives you, the only discount right now is 5%. But still, I mean, it's a little bit lower, so it's up there. And it works for resets and expert accounts too. So just type tomsabo and it should be working. Yeah, exactly. Tomsabo is working. You can see it up there at the banner at MyFundedFutures, or you can, or Streamlabs is spamming it, or down in the description. Thank you so much for your support if you're using, or anyone who's using my code. Thank you, guys. I really hope that really soon I will get to the point where I can flash the stream with my payouts more and more, and affiliate commissions will not be an issue anymore. Obviously, that's the end goal. All right. Let's see. Dancing at the midnight level. And let's look at this. Gold is actually going back up again. There is a bearish order block on the 5-minute on gold above that swing high. Nothing that I like so far. I mean, we have a possible sell side liquidity level on NQ down here at 868, and there was a market structure shift here as well. So if you guys think that this is the opportunity to sweep the Asia lows, well, who knows? Maybe it is. Maybe it is. 7 money bag, yo. I'll be leaving Take Profit and Apex soon. Oh, and go fast track trading. Yeah, as I said, there's a huge demand for instant funded accounts with fast track trading. Hey, Vic, thank you. Push the like button, guys, if you would like to support the channel. And by the way, if any one of you guys are purchasing an account with fast track trading, if you would also like to support the channel, before you purchase, you can click on my fast track trading affiliate link, and that gives also some credit. Thank you, guys. There's no special discount code, only the standard ones. Today, it seems like Naomi just told me this morning, there's the 49% discount with the code, where is it? With the code FTT_wedding. The CEO has a wedding, so seems like, yeah. I mean, I have a link, but no special code. But there's a link in the chat too. Streamlabs is spamming it, or if you go to the description of the stream, there is a affiliate link if you would like to give some credit. Before you purchase an account from Fast Track Trading, you can click on it. It takes you to the shop, registers my affiliate ID, and that puts some credit to the channel. Thank you. That is the thing. But hopefully I will get a unique code soon as well. They said I will get one as soon as I refer more people. I said, oh, that's good, because I'm streaming, you know. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. 7 money back, yo. Thank you so much. So looks like NQ is slowly going back up there. I'm not in a trade. Oh wow, look at gold. What just happened here? Look at this. Interesting. Not that I'm trading it, but still, I don't know what happened on gold. This is still no entry, guys. Nothing is going on here. Just inside this 5-minute range. We still have some targets up there, but until we don't have a good displacement, this is not tradable. At least not something I'd like to go with. Kevin, hey, what's happening? And Abs is here. Damn, Apex still not changed from approved. It will, Abs, don't worry. It's gonna take at least a week. Don't worry, you'll get approved. I know you will. Oh, thank you, Naomi. Naomi, thank you so much. Thank you for using my link. Yeah, Apex likes to torture people. I was waiting 14 days, guys. 14 days after submitting my request. 14 days. That's a half month. I was waiting. But hey, but one thing, guys. I did DCA at least once. Just don't tell anyone. But I did DCA at least once on this withdrawal. Maybe because I'm a YouTuber. I don't know. But I did register everything and make some screenshots and everything. But there was one DCAing, I know. And I got approved. Once you can. But it was... So, okay, it was not just one extra position. I added like... I fat fingered the button. And I added like 4 positions. Like... It was dropping like crazy, and I was like, and it was shaking like boom, 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 and I clicked the mouse button like 4 times, and it was just going against me, and I added the position higher than the original one. So anyway, that was I lost my mind on that day, and I realized that, oh my god, this is an Apex funded account, and it was too late. The positions were in. I got out with profit, but anyway. Good morning. 95 for instant funded account. Yeah. No rules and $91 for an instant funded account. End of day trading. And also, if you request a payout, I've been told that this is how it works. So it's not my experience. But if you request a payout, you can immediately start to continue trading. If you leave some buffer on your account, you can continue immediately to trade. It's gonna break Asian high. Might be. If we zoom it out, there is a small displacement here with some fair value gaps. I don't know. Looks like that. It might want to. Should I enter with 5 micro there? 4 micro. Alright, I took a long position here. Just with micros. Nothing special. And let's see if it wants to go higher. But I don't mind. If I lose this one, it's fine. Just a small position. Entered a little bit, well, not at the best position. And what else do we have here? Where is the trade? Here is it. Okay, so here's the trade. Looking for this one to go for Asia high. But, you know, only with micros. Not a big deal. Let me change the account. Yeah, this is it. This is one of the accounts. Just got 3 accounts. Oh, nice. Hey, let's go. Let's go, Malo. Thank you. That is awesome. Fast track trading, Kevin. Fast track trading, instant funded account. Do I trade the funded on same size and eval? Do you trade the same? Komodo, I trade the evaluation accounts more aggressively, much more aggressively. So, I mean, exception is when there is no volume in the London session, and then why would I risk more? But it depends on the volume too. If the market is not really moving, then I'm not even risking too much on the evaluations as well. Whoa, what is happening? So yeah. Yeah, if you guys would like to purchase an instant funded account, you can use my link in the description, and there's a code FTT_wedding. It seems like that 49% off currently from the accounts, which is a very good deal. It's valid until Friday, so make sure to register for your account until Friday if you want the best deal so far from Fast Track Trading. Instant funded account. How long are they taking a create? You know, because they only accept wire transfer currently. It's usually like 1 or 2 business days, depending on where you send the money from. So it's depending on that, but because it's a wire transfer, they don't have credit card payment yet. The only thing they said, if they will have the credit card payment, it's gonna be much more expensive. I mean, they didn't say much more, but they said it's gonna be expensive, more expensive, because of the fees and everything. So currently, there you go. So 2 hours if you pay with crypto. With bank wire, of course, it depending on your bank. For me, as it was an international transfer, it was at least 1 day, because it went the next day, and oh yeah, 36 hours for me. Yeah, sure, Vic, no problem. Well, I learned everywhere. You know, I was also applying for a private mentorship back in 2021. I learned a lot from a guy who unfortunately passed away. He was a very, very great guy. He was trading order blocks, and you know what? I sold 2. I sold 2 contracts because this volatility is just crazy. So I started with order blocks and supply and demand. Now I know it sounds weird, but for me it was supply and demand and order blocks when I started to learn. Now, after I moved deeper into ICT stuff and basically from online. Yeah, I have one 125k rally, but I didn't really trade on it until now. Yeah, I blew my funded today shorting the close. I never went. Oh, fast track trading is kind of tricky. You have to spreadsheet your trades and 20%. Yeah, so I think mainly you should be only focusing on the 20% consistency rule. I'm using a Quant Tower. I did ACH today. Okay, let's see. Well, it should be there in a few hours. Or, you know, 24 hours. 24 hours. As you have hey, Some H. What's happening? Good to see you. How you doing? How do you add line templates with text in Quant Tower? line templates. Okay, so for example, you put a line here. It's a horizontal line. You click on it, and for example, you know, for example, you say this is the day high, daily high, and what you can do is click on the save settings. Oh, that's not it. There has to be a oh, there you go. Save as template. I already have a template like previous day high, previous day low, but save as template daily high. Save. So click on it, right click on it, template, apply. Midnight open price. I already had one. Right click on it, template, previous day high. So it's easy to deal with the templates. Hey, don't worry, Vic. In many cases here, I'm also just a rookie. I'm always learning many stuff, so it's a journey. Oh yeah, all right, Samh. Hey, Nissim, good to see you. Cosmo, by the way, today I get to flip my FTT accounts and I request 6K. Guys, I think Cosmo deserves an applause. 6K, guys. Congratulations for that 6K. Dude, you deserve it. You deserve it, man. Huge applause for Cosmo. Well done. Well done. Doing well, Nissim. Thank you for asking. I hope you do as well. Hey, Digital. Fast track trading. Well, it's nothing special. Instant funded account, and there you go. It's easy. It's easy. You get your credentials and you log in, and that's it. The only thing they have is bank wire transfer currently. They have a 49% sale. I was just noticed from Naomi this morning because the CEO is having a wedding, it seems like, and there is a 49% discount, which is you can find it in the chat. It's spamming it. It's FTT_wedding. It gives you a 49% discount. I'm going to put it to the description too. All right. FTT_. Mm-mm-mm. 49% off. FTT_wedding. I think it's, yeah. All right. So it's in the description. Yeah, Bankwire for now. That it's like they give you an account number and you just wire the money, or you can pay with crypto. And obviously the bank wire could take up to 24 or 36 hours to arrive, but you can also pay with crypto. For now they don't have credit card payments, but they said they're going to implement it hopefully any day now. But I'm waiting FTTPA since August 8th. I think you should raise a support ticket, Yannick's. By the way, good to see you, because you should be having it by now. He needs wedding expenses. Yeah, so much. Yeah. Yeah. You should raise the support again. Hey, Kevin, that's awesome. 2 top step payouts. That is great. Good to hear that. That is awesome. Donovan. Hey, good to see you, Donovan. How you doing? Until the transfer? Yes, you can trade. So that's what I've been told. If you request a withdrawal, and of course you leave some safety caution on your account, you can continue to trade. No, you don't have to wait for approval. I've been told, because I did not reach that level yet with them, but I've been told from people who got payouts that you can immediately continue to trade because it's going to be deducted, and whichever amount you leave on the account, you can continue to trade. Even if you blow your account, you're going to get the money. So if you withdraw your profits and you blow the account an hour later, you still get the money. Which FTT account? It depends on your risk management and your style of trading. As I was saying, it depends on how much you risk, how much trades you take, what's your entry model, your strategy. Are you trading with micros or minis? So all these questions. Obviously, I'm trading with micros. I'm a turtle trader, super slow. I'm fine with 25K or 50K accounts, but obviously it's up to you. All right, Donovan, glad to hear that. So you don't have to wait for approval. Yeah. Hmm. I know it's getting more and more popular because nobody really did that before, but yeah. Something, I have to check something with my computer. All right. Okay, it's working. It's working. So I'm still sitting in this, but guys, this morning, I mean, this is just almost like non-tradable price action. I get this. We could be aiming for Asia high, which is a good target, obviously. And the new day opening gap from July 23rd has still not been completely closed. So All right. Still hovering here. Nothing. Nasdaq is unplugged officially. Holy Grail, what's happening? Good to see you. Yesterday was terrible. Oh, took a trade. It appeared far from the level I took it. The Ninja Trader. What? I realized that 3 5-minute candle was missing. What the hell? Oh, I'm sad to hear that. Man, I mean that's not good. Sorry to hear that, Holy Grail. Well, the good thing is that the market is here and setups are all around the place, so we can get it back. You are going to get it back. I know that. Hey, Trader Monk. Good morning, Euregad. Good morning. So, I still have this trade on, but no high expectations. But aiming for the Asia highs. It's a break even, so couldn't really hurt. Actually, let me check. TP should be at 13. Okay. All right. Fine. Need to set it correctly. What's the code? Yeah, it's FTT_wedding. Yeah, thank you, Kevin. Yeah, it's. I also put it down in the description next to Fast Track Trading, but Streamlabs is also spamming it in the chat. If you scroll higher, you should be getting it. But yeah, FTT_wedding. Rich Goodwin. The problem is not the money. The problem is the time. Oh, exactly. I know how that feels. Exactly. The time and the energy. Oh, let me check. Oh, sure. Sure I can. Whoa, look at this, man. Kevin, this is for you from Cosmo. Look at this. The guy is he's let's just say he's murdering the market all around the place. Wow. Yeah. So Cosmo is riding everything here. But hey, that's awesome. Look at this. 1 minute time frame. Boom, 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 boom. He's just in and out, in and out. He's a machine. Oh, thank you, Rich Goodwin. Thank you so much. Yeah, that's he's a machine. It's Cosmo is a machine. He's the algo. He is the algo. I used to DC a lot, but now I do more scaling. Nice. He's taking 6K payout. Yeah, absolutely. He's that's why he's a machine. He's the algo, exactly. He's the algo right now. Well, for now, we're still hovering here. By the way, although Apex went back to 71%, the one-day pass is still active, just saying. They still have the one-day pass, and Bulenox is 75% from now on, but for option 2 accounts too. So end of day trailing and option 2 accounts is also 75%, so the code works for option 2 accounts too. Just a quick update. With DCA, I got 10K in total. I don't use them anymore now. I learned to scale in less risk. There you go. Let's go, Cosmo. Let's go. Yeah. Right now, I'm in a short 5 micro. Another 5 up target at 923 target. Okay. Well, let's see what happens. You know, at this point, I have no idea as well. This could go anywhere. Currently, I'm not even sure if I would enter a long position after this one, just, you know, going sideways. So, but since it's a free trade currently for me, almost out from the position, by the way. But I took some partials, but you know, at this point, it's really a coin toss. What is gold doing? Yeah. Wow. How did that not take me out? Should be taking me out. There you go. Okay, so I'm out from the trade. No orders. No positions. Bob, hey there. Welcome. How you doing, Bob? I'm doing great. I mean, my throat is a little bit hurting. I think I got some flu or something. I don't know. Or got some cold. But otherwise, I'm good. taking some medicine. And to be honest, I feel like maybe I have a little bit of a fever. I don't know. It's super hot outside, and I'm still a little bit cold. I don't know if I have COVID or not, but it's very hot right now, and I'm still like, I have goosebumps, and my throat is hurting. Not good. I have to drink more tea or something. Too much AC, by the way. That's what I'm thinking too, because you know, we were on a vacation last week, and we were having the AC on for a lot in the hotel room, and I was sleeping near to the AC, and by the time we got home yesterday, I mean Sunday night, I was feeling like, oh, my throat is a little bit scratchy, and it could be the AC, I think. Because of Friday. Yeah. What I see? Well, what do I see? Basically, I entered the trade earlier as price started to go higher. I thought we're gonna go for Asia high. Now, if you go to your 1 hour chart, you just check for the new day opening gap from the 23rd of July. During the Asia session, that gap has been partially closed. There's still a portion that is left open, which is this one. So that gap up there is still left open. So we have the high at 924. We can still go and close that. We have the Asia high there. We have this gap. It can still continue. It took me out and now it goes higher. I'm not entering again. On the downside, we have sell side liquidity as Asia low, and we have a 15-minute and 1 hour fair value gap too. So it can go both ways. I'd say the easier target for NASDAQ as the low-hanging fruit would be up here to take out Asia high. Look at that. Now it's just going. This is the 1 minute chart. If you guys want to scalp it for a few points, you know, I would wait until, okay, so that's invalid, until it makes a displacement. Now I would like to see it make a displacement above 901. That can still give you about 10 points, but since price action is very slow, lack of volume here, I'm not taking it. Take a couple of shots of tequila. All right, Cosmo, I might do that. I might do that, or vodka, you know. 863. All right. Oh, I like vodka. Vodka is good. Take it anytime. I used to that. My ancestors drinking palinka and vodka all the time. So I'm good with vodka. Yeah. John D, welcome. How you doing? By the way, if you haven't done it already, please help me out and push the like button, guys. Push the likes and let's push this stream to the moon. Let's expose this stream to the YouTube algorithm. Let's go. And also subscribe, because there's going to be a giveaway this week too. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure to do so. We're getting closer to 3K subscribers. I'm going to do a giveaway when we reach the 3K as well. Obviously, we're gonna filter out the bots and everything, but I'm not saying if we reach the 3K right now, we're gonna do the giveaway right now. But if we reach the 3K, then there's definitely gonna be at least 3 giveaways. Okay, 3K, 3 giveaways, at least. You're not a bot. John D is not a bot. No. So that is awesome, guys. Reaching the 3K subs, that is like super awesome. I remember it not too long ago, like 10 months ago, not even a year ago. It was like October and November. We were having 400 or 500 subscribers on the channel. 400 something. So it was awesome. I mean, it was really, really awesome. And I mean, this journey and all you guys joining the streams every day, thank you so much. So quite a journey. Look at that. NQ edging lower because we had the London Open. Totally forgot about that. Now we do have a sell side here at a 68. Look at this. Okay. Relative equal lows maybe down here at 73. Equal highs on ES2 smooth. And this to the left is actually a bullish order block on the 1 minute. I'm not saying that it's doing the reaction now, but we have the London Open, so I would say the easy target would still be up there at 914 ish. By the way, I'm going to go full throttle with my Take Profit Trader account, so I have to do a new recap video so you guys will see how many accounts I'm operating with. I'm gonna put more transparency into the details of how many accounts I trade with, and there's gonna be some changes. So I'm gonna be sharing all my funded and evaluation accounts, and then you guys will see exactly how I'm operating. I didn't want it to do that, but you know, hashtag for transparency purposes, I want to do that. And we're gonna do the recap videos of how we're doing. I just need 50 ticks each day. Yeah, you know, 50 ticks, if you have the right entry, that's gonna print you money, that's for sure. He's expecting to make 500 on his new course. Wow, 500K on his new course. Whoa, all right. I don't know. Static accounts are hard to build up. You have to really do it slow. There's more advantage when you up a ton of them. Oh yeah, exactly. Yeah, John D. More lever, yeah. So yeah, he's selling his course $200. I think a lot of people are already buying it and will. 200, I mean 500Ks. $500,000. Let's see. So he has to sell 2,500 courses. And he has on average 2 or 3,000 viewers sometimes. I think he will do that. I think he can sell that amount. I think he will. But 75k are okay, but again the drawdown is 2,600 much. Yeah. Not much to hold. Yeah, exactly. I understand. Yeah, John. Well, yeah. Well, you know, for me, I pretty much got used to this trading stop thing. And eventually all these accounts are going to turn into a static account, you know, guys. Sooner or later, if you build up your account, all of these accounts are going to turn into a static account anyways, because you should be above your threshold. Oh, look at that. I think gold is at all-time high, right? Of course, it's also it's gold. Give me money. You won't trade better at all. Yeah. Yeah, so you never know. You never know. I have my mini course too. It's based on a mechanical entry model, but there's gonna be changes in that too. I'm not gonna lie. I absolutely treat this as a business, of course, but truth to be told, I don't have all these super mega courses and stuff like that. Yeah, economic data is definitely something. If you learn more of it time to time, you will have some better understanding from the markets. I mean, about the markets. Isham, good morning. Sorry I didn't see you there. How you doing, Isham? Good to see you. And all earnings are out. And SPY on NQ is still too high. Multiple PSU still bound to have some pullback. Fat cut or not. Oh, I see. Fat cut is normally a sign that things aren't that good as it seems. Oh yeah, they are. I mean, yeah, that's a clear sign. All okay, great. A lot unexpected. House maintenance. Oh, that happens. Yeah, especially when it's rainy. Yeah, yeah. That happens. The average PE multiply of SPY or any company to see if it's overvalued or not. Oh yeah, that's true. You can check on it. Price to sales. They also like that one. Okay. Yeah, and that's why economic data could be very useful. By the way, guys, look at this. Are we going higher? Seems like it wants to. Tricked everybody here. I might be taking an aggressive scalp here. I don't know. Seems like I won't have the time. My entry should have been here, and I missed it at 97. So it's too late. Maybe if it goes down to 904, I don't know. Put a buy limit at 904. I don't think that it's gonna reprice. I think it's just gonna go straight up there. If it goes down to 904, I have a limit there. That's it. For a 10-point scalp. It's right there. But I don't think it's gonna go down. I think it's gonna straight up, taking out that Asia high. My entry should have been shoulda, coulda, woulda somewhere here if I wanted to scalp. Learned about market breadth. That's also a good lesson. Oh, market breadth. That's good info, actually. That's a good info. Yeah, it's gonna take out 14. Oh, Rich Goodwin says, I just got my fast track trading 25K up and running. Well, that was fast. Did you apply one for one now? Did you pay with crypto or bank wire? Because that was really fast. That was extremely paid Bitcoin. Okay, all right. So that was it. So that was fast. Awesome. Yeah. That is great. That is great. Am I going to get filled in this one? I don't think, but maybe I will. Maybe I will. Okay, I might gonna get filled here. Who knows? Okay, I got filled. I got filled in the trade. Limit is gonna be now this is obviously a scalp trade, so I'm going to, it has a negative risk to reward, I see. I might going to close it manually if I don't like what I see. I would like this one to just go to the 14. Actually, I'm going to change the TP to 14. There you go. Just go to 14. Take out Asia high and let's move on. Take out that Asia high. Come on, man. That's why I don't like scalping. Too much stress. look at this. It's just stuck here. I want my 10 points. Give me my 10 points and I'm out of here. Join me long. Just be careful because this is super risky. This is super risky. Use this as indicators. Oh, stocks. Oh, right. Bollinger Band. Didn't know that, John. But actually, it makes sense. Back down towards Asia lows. No, Naomi, no. No. For entry long, it could be going down there. Actually, F it. I'm closing it. I'm closing it. I closed it. I closed it because, you know, guys, my nerves are not the same. My nerves are not the same. And as soon as Naomi said that she wants this to go down, I got cold feet. She's calling the market lower, so I had to close it. I had no other choice. Okay, I'm flat. I'm always checking if I have some orders or positions. Profit is profit. Yeah, I got cold feet. Okay, it starts to, you know, go sideways a little bit too much here, and it can do like this, and maybe it will do that. I just don't want it to happen. Anyway, profit is profit. Yeah, so. Yeah. It was a scalp trade, guys. It has no higher intentions other than that it was just a scalp trade. Nothing special. Few points. That's all. Small risk. Was ready to close it manually anyways. So look at this now. Naomi calling the market, and the market goes to her down there. Yeah, exactly, John. So in many cases, I mean, I did try something 2 weeks ago. I was scalping every single 5 minutes. That didn't, well, it actually, I made a funded account with Bulenox with that one, but it was super stressful. I don't like to do that. And in the other days, I was like just sitting for hours and hours, not entering any single trade. Anyway, I still believe that this one should go a little bit higher. But first, it will come down for Naomi's entry. I think I did the right choice for now. Yeah, reprice this small liquidity void here. Question is it going to go higher, or it was just repricing it, taking out some lows and then goes up? It's only 4 points. Did 3 trades yesterday, 2K profit, 4th trade not minus 190. Hey, that's awesome, dude. 2K profit. You know, that's more than enough for a day. I have decided some of my funded account. You won't like just update. All right. Komodo, just be careful, all right? Just be careful. Whatever you do, just, you know, trade smaller size, you know, don't overtrade. Even if you do 300-500 profit a day, absolutely, I agree, John D. That is absolutely true. If you do $300-500 in today's market, you know, a day, as a day trader, you are a very good trader, and you're settled in for writing your own paychecks. There you go, Asia high taken out. One more target is to completely rebalance the new day opening gap. I don't know if it wants to do it now or later, but Asia high taken out. So yeah, today's world, if you make 300 to 600 or 500 in a day, then you know you are absolutely a good trader. Most people lose money by overtrading. Yeah, and also the more time you spend in the market, I mean with an open trade, open position, if you have a trade on, the more time you spend in the market with open trades, the percentage of getting losses is increasing exponentially the more time you spend there. So as the minutes go by or the hours go by, the chances are going against you more and more. That, you know, anyway, it's a probabilities game anyway. But also, not taking a position and just sitting and watching the chart is also a position. I completely agree with that. So if you're just sitting and watching the chart, that is also a very good position. And just like ICT said, I agree with that. You know, this is the only position that is a guarantee. You're guaranteed not to lose anything with this position. So right now I'm taking a position by sitting at the sidelines and not doing anything, and I am guaranteed that I'm not gonna lose. Sounds silly, but you know, if you start saying it and you rewire your brain like that, it's gonna make more sense. Trust me, guys. If you keep repeating that to yourself, it's gonna make more sense, and it's gonna help you to maintain, to being more disciplined. I'm talking from experience, by the way. So Sorrel says you lose the opportunity to make money. Yeah, it could be, but I mean, I'm saying, like, if you're sitting on the sidelines, you're obviously waiting for your entry model, your setup, your model. So you might be losing the opportunity only, but not really, if you're waiting for your edge. You're waiting for your setup. You're waiting for your entry model. If you don't see your entry model, then yeah, the market could be moving without you. But you know, I think we could be talking about this, I mean, the discipline factor for hours and hours. But the thing is, if you don't see your entry model, or if you don't see that certain pattern playing out, then sitting at the sidelines is actually a position too. But anyway, sorry again, my voice is just, my throat is hurting, and I might have to take some medicine more. I'm gonna drink some honey or eat some honey, whatever. My throat is hurting. It's definitely, I think it's because of the AC. Too much AC last week. All right. Too much smoking. No, I don't smoke. Rarely, a cigar occasionally, but I'm not a smoker. Gamecraft Trades, good morning. Hello. Good to see you back. How you doing, Gamecraft? How was your week last week? Or how was your trades? Honey plus lemon is amazing. And try not to drink water for a few hours. Okay, I'll try that, Holy Grail. Thank you. You're right, Tom. Waiting is the key. You're still winning because of disciplining yourself. Yeah, there you go. Yes, yeah. So by the way, if you can keep winning, keep waiting on the sidelines, that's actually building confidence. So you're actually building confidence for yourself because you're just waiting. Hey Larry, is DCA allowed in Apex Eval? Yes, on evaluation account, Larry, you can do whatever you want. I know it's an interesting philosophy and business, but it's a business for them as well. So on the evaluation accounts, you can do whatever you want. You can do everything. Trade the news, microscope, DCA, whatever. And watch the Spy, or in this case of the week. Russell is pulling things a bit up. Oh, okay. Gamecraft, last week, 1 loss, 4 win. Congratulations, man. That's nice. That is awesome. I meant to ask you, how many trades do you take a week on average? I'm actually curious. Maybe I should take a poll on this one for you guys. I'm always curious, how many trades are you guys taking on a week? Not just a day, but on a week average. I know Cosmo takes 50 trades in 1 hour. Just joking. You start trading London. All right. Bao, hey. How would you trade faster trading roller accounts? Like how many contracts and what? Oh, Bao, it's this question is not that simple to ask because it depends on your risk management, depends on your entry model, depends on your risk to reward ratio, a lot of these factors, depends on your account size. Obviously, since it's a funded account, I always trade on my funded accounts like I risk no more than $100, $200 per trade on the 50Ks. So I would say you have to go with that. How many contracts? I trade micros, so it can be anywhere from 1 micro to 5 or 6 micros depending on the stop loss level, right? So it's not that simple to answer, Bo. But daily profit goal, I would say, if I make $200 or $300 on a funded account in a day, then I just walk away. So yeah, there were days when I made $400 or $500. Actually, the best day I made a few weeks ago, I made $1,200 on a funded account in a day. I don't know. I think I was aggressively pushing it. But if I make $200 or $300 or $4, I'm definitely walking away. At least I'm switching to a different account. You know, I'm trading on it. If I don't want to walk away, I'm switching to a different account. I average 3 to 5 per day. All right. Lowry 200 per day. Really? All right. Sometimes 100 per hour, no lie. Really? Oh yeah, because guys, no joke, Cosmo is really an aggressive, maybe I could say micro scalper, but not really. But he is really, I mean, he's taking payouts, guys, and he's taking 100 trades per hour. Wow. I take 1 trade in New York session. If it's a win, I close the system. If I lose, I try 1 more, and that's it. Now, Gamecraft, that's the thing that I'm pursuing as well. My goal, guys, honestly, no offense to anyone, because obviously, which makes you money, if you take 100 trades, whatever, if it makes you money, stick with that. My personal goal is to have like no more than 5 trades a week. The best would be to take 3 to 4 trades a week at the New York, after the New York Open, and just walk away. So I'm aiming for taking less and less trades. That's one of the goals in trading that I'm aiming for. But that's a different strategy. If you guys are taking a lot, that's, again, if you're printing money with that, stick with that, you know. 15-20 a week. Yes, I think I'm somewhere around 20 trades, 25 a week as well right now. I'm doing about 20-25 trades a week, 3 to 5 per day. Yeah, my copy trade, 6 live Bulenox accounts. Oh yeah, I see. 1-2 trades a day at all. Yeah, that's good. How much you put in on 10 micros or 10 mini? Yeah, John D, exactly. 0 to 10 trades a day. That's good, Komodo. That's also good. I mean, everything is good. Don't get me wrong. If you take 100 trades and you make money, go for it. Don't misunderstand me. Does Apex allow microscalping? It is not specifically said that we allow microscalping, but they were talking about it. If they see an account equity curve that majority of the trades were made by microscalping, they might go for a red flag. They did not specifically give examples with the microscalping thing, so it's hard to say. It's a little bit of gray area. I used to do minis, but only blowing accounts. Yeah. I was trading minis for a long time, by the way. I was trading minis for a long time. The day when I switched to micros, the stress factor, the stress levels were, you know, insanely got lower. The stress that I was having, I mean, it got much lower. Look at gold. Wow. Took the previous day. I think gold is almost at all-time high again. So as soon as I switched to micros, my emotions got way, you know, lower. So sorry. All right. We taken out what we could. And now, look at this, by the way, at the downside here. We have relative equal lows 3 times. Just saying. Look at this down here. Relative equal lows down there. I'm not saying it will go there, but I definitely like the area. Actually, I'm a little bit tempted to go short. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. Although I have been told that I'm a liar, but in this case, I'm not gonna lie, I entered to a short. I'm actually already in a short. Entered a short. Right there. Let's see. 70 contracts at 9:30. Whoa. That's interesting. All right. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to sell 2 contracts if it gets down there. It's only micro, guys, so. Or maybe I'm not. Or maybe I should. Lowering my risk. Oh, this is the 30-second chart. That's why, I mean, why does it look so different? Okay, now it's better. Now this is the 1-minute chart. There's probably a gap on the 5-minute. Yeah, there is. 9:03. Yeah, I'm gonna take partial at 9:04. I like this flat candle here as a possible target. If it spikes down, I'm gonna take a partial there. If it spikes down. If not, then, you know. We are still in the London session. We're still way in the kill zone. Of course, that doesn't mean it cannot go higher. Let's check the 1 hour, by the way. Yeah. So there is a buy side liquidity at 20,084 up there as a swing high. You know, I just thought that, you know, maybe it can sweep some lows, but oh no. Oh no, I think I'm gonna have to give back my profits. It happens to me all the time in London. If I make a small amount of profit, I'm just giving it back by the end of the session. Or worst case scenario, I try to dig myself out of the hole until New York. But what can we do, right? If the market wants it, otherwise there's nothing I can do. Oh man. Oh, look at this. Wow. What just happened? Was there some news or what the hell? What the hell is going on? 10-point spike in a second. It's not over yet. I think it wants to go higher. Okay. Okay. I was a little bit too optimistic to go short. But there are some good targets though. So I really thought that this one can work out. Oh man. Yeah, my finger is on the close button. Shaking out early shorts, yeah. Unfortunately, yes. That's what they're doing. I don't like the way it looks like right now. The whole shape thing. It feels like it wants to spike higher once more. Yeah. I don't know. It could be a shakeout. All right. Get me out from my misery. For my strategy is just break resistance for resisting a little bit high. Yeah, it could be. Yeah, not so clear, but I think they're gonna push it. High chance for it to push it higher. Oh. I'd like to see a down close candle below 17. That would be good. Well, maybe. I don't know. Could have got out at break even, but let's see what it does. Still some good levels, and on the 15-minute, I do like the 892 level is still looking very good on the 15. There is no wick down there. You short it on that bullish 5-minute order block. Yeah, my entry was not really the order block, but one of my targets was definitely the order block. So let me show you on the 1 minute here. I didn't take this on the order block, but if you look to the left here, this is an order block. This is an order block. So 2 order blocks down here, and the low hanging fruit as the higher probability that should be taking out is this one. taken out, sorry. Is this order block. But my entry was not based on the order block. This was not an A plus entry at all. This was based on a simple market structure shift, but I broke my own rule because this candle at 3:38 Eastern Standard Time, the 1 minute candle, is only wicked this low here. So this one only wicked down, but the move was so clean, you know, taking out this gap and, you know, strong movement with displacement, that I thought that since we have this order block here, this might be a good opportunity to jump into a short. And if you look at the 15-minute chart, you zoom out the 15-minute, we have this candle right here starting at 3:15, no wick down there, and you know, I thought it could be an ultimate target, but obviously I don't know anymore. For a few brief moments or minutes, it looked good, and that's why I want to take partials at 9:04. I'm eyeing market maker sell model until 5 a.m. Yeah, that could be a good strategy. Let's see what it happens. What it does. How you change charts so fast? It's simple because the screen that you guys see is cropped, so you don't see my whole screen. The way I see it is I see the Quant Tower window on top of the browser of TradingView. So all I have to do is just click behind. You guys don't see. I click behind and I'm immediately back and on TradingView. So, and if I want to switch back, it's super simple. I just click on down here at the task window on my other screen. That's how I switch back. So you guys don't see the magic in the background. I think you're looking good for at least 902. Yeah, the 902 level, I do like it. This one is an order block. That's 100% sure. I mean, there's no question about that. This here is an order block. And you know me, guys, I always like to see order blocks being broken. So we had a reaction from the order block here, pushed price higher, and now I would like to see the order block being broken. That's it. That's basically it. As soon as it breaks the order block, I'm going to put the rest of the trade to break even, and that's it. So I hope it will take some partials. Just take out. Oh, come on. It didn't go for it. Almost. Wicked down to 904. And didn't take it. What a dirty move. Almost. Yeah. I do that, Cosmo. Look at that. It went down to my partial TP and didn't take it. And now it's going back up there. Oh man. Maybe I should lower my my stop. I don't know. You know, these few points in London, this counts. This counts sometimes. I don't like this. By the way, we have equities open less than 3 minutes. Volume is coming in. And to be exact, it's coming in 2 minutes and 27 seconds. Yeah, that's true. Missed my stop loss with a tick and missed my partial TP with a tick. So quite interesting. I don't know if I'm gonna survive this until equities open. All I need is 10 points. By the way, guys, if you would like to help out the stream, I know I tell this a few times, but please push the like button and subscribe to the channel. That's free to do, and don't miss the giveaways. Hit that like, smash that like. It really helps out the channel. Thank you, guys. Thank you, thank you. Jack, hey there. Are you short? I'm short right now. I have a partial take profit at 904, almost taken out. But not now. So I'm still in a short. I don't know if I'm gonna survive this or not. But you know, hoping for it. So my final TP would be down at 92.25 for the runner. And if I could take a partial, I would put it to break even or something. We still have 30 seconds and there's going to be volume kicking in. Trust me. Volume is about to kick in. Ten seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Volume coming in. Looking to close it manually if I have to. Volume is kicking in. Haha, it's not taking it. It's not taking it. All right, I'm closing this. I don't care. I close down the whole position. I just don't care. If it's not dropping like a rock, it's gonna spike higher. And now it's dropping. All right. Anyway, I took more than I would have with the partial. So my stop would be at break even now, somewhere around here at 16. That's it. I did not have the nerves to hold it. I saw this many times after 4 a.m. Volume kicks in, it teases you to go in a way, and then boom, goes the other way. Trust me on this. Exactly. Exactly. By the way, if it goes down, 92 will be the final. Anyway, I took it because, guys, just check it in the upcoming weeks or days, whatever. At 4 a.m., volume is kicking in. It's teasing you that it's gonna go into your direction or whatever, into a certain direction. It's printing the candles like it wants to go, and then in a matter of 1 second or a tenth of a second, it's just gonna go like boom in 1 second. And that's what I was seeing on my chart. Like, it was having some trouble to go lower, and I said, all right, F it, it's gonna spike up there, and I just want to get out. And maybe I made the wrong decision. I don't care. I made some profit on multiple accounts. Look at this, man. We're going down to 92. Maybe I should have waited more and stick to my plan. I know. Reza Banks is here. What's happening, Reza? Good to see you, man. How you doing? Yeah, everything is cool. Everything is fine, Reza. Nice to see you. Well, I was in a short and I closed it. That's what happened. Overall, you know, some profits, but it's fine. Whoa! Oh, thank you for subscribing. Unfortunately, I can't pronounce your name, but thank you so much. I can't say it, but thank you for subscribing to the channel. Then asking why volume. I don't know. I don't know why. But by the way, we have relative equal lows down there. Marlin. Okay, thank you, Marlin, for joining the stream, Marlin. Every night I always see this market maker sell model since we've been on a bull rub. Yeah. Look at this. We're going for that 92. 15-minute flat candle low. Marlon, sorry. Marlon, welcome to the channel, Marlon. I was in short 2 from 923 and secured at 900. Nice, Reza. Let's go. Let's go. So this level down there, just, take a note of it. It's 800, around 873-ish. Relative equal lows. Top right. So we could see those levels today, but I don't know. Anything can happen. Now it's going back up there. Maybe it's gonna go back higher. Who knows? Who knows? Hey, Mihalis. Mihail, sorry. Haven't popped. Oh yeah, good to see you, by the way. Summer vacation and now back grinding. Let's go, Mihails. Good to see you again. Welcome to the channel. Welcome back. Or should I say, Mihails, welcome home. Welcome home. You know, back to business, you know. I love trading, even if I lose. Welcome home. Okay. We still have time from the kill zone. So obviously, quick check on gold. Look at this. I think gold just made a new high, right? Is it? Yeah. Gold made history right now. Look at this. Gold is making history. Guys, mark this day that you were here in my stream when gold made a new high. All right, this is actually, it definitely looks like a market maker sell model. Entry here, by the way, to go short. Down to 92. I'm tempted. I'm tempted. What should I do? I should enter, right? Okay, I just took it on one single account. It will be a short. I mean, it's a short. Let me show it to you guys. It's a scalp trade. Here it is. I'm going to observe it and close it manually if I have to. So I'm looking for that 92 level still. The previous trade was copy traded between 3 accounts. This is a separate account, an Apex account, but let's just see. What it does. Trading is addicting. The adrenaline. Oh yeah. Yeah, I have to be careful here. If I see it move the other way, I just close it manually. Nothing special. So yeah, like this. If it does like this, I'm just gonna close it. Or actually the stop is gonna stop me out, so it's not a big deal. If this is a market maker sell model, it could be or should be going lower eventually, but if not, you know, we might continue to make some new historical highs. We still have some lows down there. I'm not giving back the profits from earlier, so that's for sure. We have these relative equal lows. I don't like this. Sorry guys, I'm stretching this chart. Yeah, I might close it. I might close it manually. I thought that I see something, but I didn't, actually. I was attached to that 92 level. Whoa, look at this. Yeah, quite interesting. And to be honest, this whole move, especially if I look at the 15-minute, is pretty much bullish, so I have to be careful with the shorts, but I was really thinking that this could be a nice sell model here. Still have some good targets down there. If it goes higher, obviously we are going to be aiming for the 20k area. Yeah. And beautiful equal lows down there, exactly. Exactly. Again, I don't know if it wants to go down or first want to sweep some more liquidity, but I really thought that this is a sell model right here. Oh no, this is gonna take me out. It is what it is. Not yet. Come on. Come on, I want to play PUBG today. Okay, I sold 3 micros. And I'm putting it to break even. That's it. If you guys ask me the reason, it's because this is a funded account. That's the reason. Because this is a funded account, and then that's it. I got cold feet. Too many stress in London already. But I still like the 92.50 level. So please just waterfall down. But it's a free trade. Nice catch. Well, we're still not there yet. I needed to secure some profits because this is a funded account, and I'm gonna let you guys know that this account is the account that I got the payout from Apex, this right now, and I only have like $700 or $600 safety net on this account. So basically I have to secure everything now because I'm gonna get liquidated at 50,100. So this was the reason behind this all. This is a funded account that you see above my screen. But if it takes me out here at break even, I'm okay, perfectly fine. Perfectly super duper happy with it. Trying to build this back up with micros. Yeah, it's gonna reprice, unfortunately, I think so. Yeah. Yeah, this gap is concerning me as well. it could reprice it, so we could see an up close candle above 908. So that was partially the reason when it dropped here. I was also eyeballing this gap, and I said, F it, I'm gonna take some of it now because it might just gonna rebalance it up there. And that was, so good question, Dan. That was one of the reasons I took partials down there. I noticed that small gap. Are we going to get the 92 or what? You also play PUBG. All right. I'm a terrible player, by the way. Wolfak, I am the worst ever player in the history of PUBG. Although, don't tell this to anyone, I have about 6,000 hours in PUBG. 6,000 hours. And I'm the worst player in PUBG. I'm the worst ever player. So I want this. We can play PUBG anytime. Yeah, Warzone is a cool game too, but it's too fast for me. It's so fast. So if I'm bad in PUBG, you guys can imagine how bad I am in Warzone. So if I play in a team, I'm usually the guy who got killed first. Who gets killed first, so. Motivation healing, hey, what's happening? Oh, look at that, it's coming back for me. Reprice this small void, let's see if it wants to take me out. It's lower. Yeah. Just saying, I'm a terrible player. But, you know, I have proof for you guys that I like PUBG. Right? So I have it right here. I do have this guy. It has an AK, whatever, and everything. All right. I have 200k where I invest in and which on. Whoa, learn to earn. That is awesome, man, but I just cannot give financial advice even if I would like to. I can't. So, you know, the only thing, and this is not financial advice, if I would have extra 200k, I would invest in real estate. So invest in real estate is always, investing in real estate is always a good idea, I think. You start the game with underwear. Yeah. Morning, Zach. How's it going? Are we gonna get it or what? If I zoom it out, it's more stressful, right? Let's zoom it out and it will be more stressful. Like this. Oh ho ho ho! Yeah, I know. I know. I know. I know. All right, let's go. At least it was worth it, you know. I take $90 ish anytime on a funded account. All right, let's go back here. Easy. What the Forex? Welcome. I sell real estate overseas. There you go. So if you have 200k, just put it to real estate. That's the way to go. Oh yeah, yeah, Mihails. If you have 200k, definitely don't put it on the stock market. Do not put it on the stock market. You are amazing. We still have the relative equal lows down there if you guys want to go for it. Great, thank you, Kevin. Well, I guess I was a little bit lucky as well, but look at this. These lows, oh, you guys don't see it. Relative equal lows. I think this level meant to be 1, 2, 3 times equal lows down there. I think price wants to revisit that level. I'm not entering again, but that's where the money is. I'm gonna show you here. That's where the money is, right down there. So it was a market maker sell model, by the way. It was. Whatever happens from here on out, this was a market maker sell model. And to have a perfect job for the algo, this should bring price below 74. Real estate is a safe one. The need for a house or a flat is oh definitely yes, Pablo. If I would be having 200k for only for investing, I would definitely not buy any stocks or whatever. I would only go for real estate. Although depends on what can you buy in which country, you know, depends on your surroundings. But in my country, I could buy a very, very good apartment, a very nice modern apartment, or I could buy maybe 2 little bit older apartments that I have to work on a little bit, and I would just, you know, rent it out. I would just rent it out, and that's it for now, for the time being. Commercial buildings, yeah, maybe. I think commercial buildings could be a little bit more riskier. I don't know. For late longs, yeah, exactly. Kind of commercial building. I don't know. So I'm always have my second thoughts about commercial buildings because it's I don't know. Commercial buildings. Yeah, private apartments for, you know, is, I think it's safer, you know. Commercial buildings, you know, maybe the company just, you know, disappears in one day, or they're not paying you, or the economy goes down, and, you know, those companies are just not nobody rents commercial apartments. And, you know, we're going into the future of technology. Everybody wants to work from home and reducing the costs of using commercial buildings as much as they can. So who knows? The more the online presence is going to be more dominant and significant, I think the less is going to be the need for commercial buildings. But this is only my thought, you know. I could be absolutely wrong. Or spend 6-month vacation. Oh yeah, let's go. Yeah, holy grail. The rent you can ask is higher. Yeah, housing shortage will always be there, and inflation will give it more value in future. Yeah, housing shortage is gonna be an issue, definitely. Any reason behind this move on gold? No idea. Let me check the news. No red news here. Nothing. Oh, look at that. We're going down. Guys. We're gonna go below 74, and that's gonna be the move for London. Trust me on that. If you want to take a stretch, we might go to 68, And as for Asia low, who knows? We have 15-minute, 1 hour fair value gap down there. But now I feel like that below 74-ish area would be the final target for this market maker sell model. Let me push this here so you guys can see it. No big news. Good morning, Robert, the Macedonian, the neighbor. How are you, my neighbor? Almost neighbor. But hey, what's going on? I know, by the way, because the other week I searched for it, that Macedonia actually has beautiful places. Beautiful places. Doing good. All right. Well, everything's fine. My throat is hurting a little bit, so I have to drink some more tea and take some medicine. I think too much AC last week. 750 needs to be retested, Kevin is saying. All right. 750, it's a little bit down there. All right. Okay, look at that. We're still going. Yeah, to be honest, if I look at this back, it's actually a nice market maker sell model. We have these beautiful order blocks that has been taken out. A really nice and beautiful country. Yeah, Macedonia has beautiful places. At least as much as I know, I have a friend who traveled through there a lot, and he said it's like really beautiful. By the way, just let me shill again a little bit. All right, let me shill. Let me do the shill. Bulenox is back to 75%. I know, so the 90% sale is off, but you can get the option to end of day trailing accounts for 75% from Bulenox as well. So the code works for option 1 and option 2 accounts too. So grab it while you can. And also, if you would like to support the channel, you can use my codes and links. Fast Track Trading has a 49% discount. I was surprised this morning because the CEO has a wedding and he decided he's going to give a discount. So FTT_wedding gives you a 49% discount. Interesting. Anyway, that was the commercial. Thank you. So beautiful that most of us moved out to Germany, not to destroy it. Well, that's a different story, I guess. We have the same thing here in Hungary. A lot of people are working in Germany and you know, Western Europe, because honestly, you know, people are not making good money here in Hungary. We are officially the poorest country in the European Union, and you know, a lot of young people are going to work in Germany, Austria, you know, and everywhere, England, and they're leaving the country because there's no work here, no jobs. So it's sad, but this is what it is. What can we do? No, Robert. There's an official chart somewhere. It's on some European Union website. I don't know. So it always measures every month the spending of the citizens. You know, the households, how much they are spending. Basically, how much that number. I don't know the exact. So the way they spend, the households, that indicates. That's the. I don't know how to speak in English, but that shows how poor the people are. So at the bottom of the list is Hungary, and above Hungary right now is Bulgaria. So officially Hungary has become the poorest nation in the European Union. So we are the poorest in the European Union. I'm thinking of taking one setup at New York. Why didn't you have a withdrawal folder on your Discord? Oh yeah, that's actually a good idea, Komodo. That's good. I'm gonna do that. Yeah. That's a good idea. I'm gonna do that, Komodo. Actually, I'm gonna find that chart. Can't find it. Anyway, I'm not gonna search for it now. Boris says, if they let Turkey in EU, we would change the statistics. Oh, I mean, actually, it's we're laughing, but actually, it's not a good thing, man. I don't know what's going on in the economy anymore. I mean, it's really crazy. But yeah, world is changing, you know. I remember I was a kid in the 90s, and people from Romania, you know, a lot of Hungarians live in Romanian territory in Transylvania, and a lot of Hungarians were traveling from Romania to work in Hungary, you know, because better jobs, better living conditions, stuff like that. And now everything changed. The people that are living close to the Romanian border are actually going to Romania to work in Romania, because the living conditions are actually better now in Romania than in Hungary. So, I mean, it's good. Obviously, I'm happy that the conditions are improving, but, you know, it changed. The whole thing, everything is changing. For example, the roads. There's a saying here in Hungary, when you will know that you're back to your country in Hungary. You know, if you just drive your car and you're back to the your car starts to shake and, you know, goes onto bumpy roads, then you will know that you're back to Hungary, because the worst roads are in Hungary, in the European Union. The worst roads are here in Hungary. My mother, she was in Transylvania this summer for a short trip with some friends, and she said they did not see any road with bad conditions. Every road was super great, and they got back to Hungary and every road was like full with potholes and everything. Okay, we took out the relative equal lows, guys. The move is done. The move is done. Yeah, in Baltic countries, I would say that, but I would say that in Hungary, in my country, the worst roads. Even the highway is having issues. The worst roads are here in the Union, that's for sure. Sad to say it like that, but it's the truth. Okay, we took out everything. We took out the sell side here, relative equal lows down there. One more target is down there at Asia lows, but I'm not jumping in. I'm not gonna jump in to a short. So it's up to you guys if you want to take it. The kill zone is ending in 25 minutes, so be careful. All roads lead to Budapest. Yeah, maybe. Sorry. Anyway, guys, I think I'm going to call it here, because I'm not going to take any more trades. That is 100% sure. We did see a beautiful sell model here playing out, taking out these levels. I think this was the move for the London kill zone. I'm not saying it won't drop to Asia low, but I'm not taking more trades. That is 100%. I'm coming back for the New York session. So this was a good one. We took some profits. It was good. I really enjoyed it. And thank you so much for being here. And yeah, I enjoyed it really much. So guys, you guys are awesome. Thank you again for joining. I'll be back in the New York Open. And you know, if you would like to support the channel, just use my code. tomsabo works everywhere. And Fast Track Trading, if you would like instant funded account, just click on my link before you purchase. That gives some credit. Thank you guys, and see you guys in New York. Be safe, stay safe, and trade safe. All right. Cheers, everybody.